In this video, we're going to learn about ordering integers. We're going to use this thermometer to help us order integers. It's a good way to see integers. So an integer is a positive or a negative number. So positive 2 can be written like this, without the plus sign or with the plus sign. If you don't see a plus sign, that means it's positive. A negative number can be written like this, and it has to have the negative sign. The negative sign can be to the left, and it can also be written to the right of a number. So let's look at this thermometer, and let's start. We're going to work on the Celsius side. So temperatures given often in Celsius and Fahrenheit. We're going to use the Celsius side. So, and we're going to start from the middle. So all of the readings from this thermometer, when we go below zero, are negative numbers. So they'll be less than zero. So this would be, let's make that smaller. -5, -10, -15, -16. Oh, -16. -20, -25. We can put the minus here if we want. And then every number, when we go past 30, will be positive. So this would be +5, +10, +15, +20, +25. So let's now use a worksheet to help us order these integers. So the directions say, write each set of numbers in the correct order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start with the negatives because a negative number is always smaller than a positive number. So the most negative or the smallest number is going to be -45. Then after that would be -16. Then after that would be -9. Then after that would be 7. And then the largest number would be 33. So now I'm gonna put this on the calculator. So I'm gonna start with -45, then -16. So -45, let's see. So this is -30. This is -35. This is -40. This is -45. So this is -45. The next number we had was -16. So let's see, -16. Let's see, -16 would be right here because -16 is smaller than -15. -16. Then after that, we have -9 and then 7. -9. So -9. So this is -10. -9 is bigger than -10. So -9 will go right here. Then +7. So this is +5, +6, +7 will go right here. And then the biggest number was +33. So this is +30. So 31, 32, +33. So we have a visual representation of the integers we just ordered. So +33, +9, no, +7, -9, -16, -45. All right, so let's do some problems together. So the smallest number here would be negative 78. We always want to start with the negative numbers. Then negative 5. Then negative 2. Now we're in the positive numbers. So we start with the smallest. So that would be 18. And then 23. Next, we have, start with the negative numbers. The smallest is negative 56. Then negative 19. Then we have, let's see, the smallest of the positive numbers would be positive 28, then positive 32, then positive 44. Number 4, we start with the negative numbers. The most negative, so these are all negative. So we're going to start with the most negative. The most negative is negative 74, then negative 69, then negative 25, then negative 8, then negative 6. And you'll see the closer we get to 0, the bigger the number becomes. Okay, let's have you try number 5. You can stop the video if you need to. So let's start with the most negative number. The most negative number is negative 12. Then negative 2. Then the smallest, now we're left with the positive numbers. The smallest of the positive numbers is 4. Then after that, we'd have positive 66 and then positive 78. Let's look at the next set. So it says, write each set of numbers in the correct order from greatest to least. So the biggest number, we're going to start with the positive numbers. If we have both negative and positive numbers, a positive number is always bigger than a negative number. So 70 is the greatest. After that would be 56. After that would be 1. Then negative 10. Then negative 41. Let's look at the next one. So we have positive and negative numbers. So we're going to start with the largest of the positive numbers. The largest of the positive numbers is 50. Then 39. Then 9. Then negative 7. Then negative 26. Let's do number 3. You can pause the video. So we're ordering from the greatest to least. All right, so all the numbers are negative. So we want to start with the least negative number. The least negative number is negative 2. Then after that would be negative 3. What would be after that? Negative 15. And after that, negative 23. And after that, negative 80. Let's do one more. So you can pause the video. We're going to do number 4. So in this group, we have positive and negative numbers. So we're going to start with the positive numbers. The most positive number is positive 63. We have one more positive number, that's 18. Now the least negative is going to be negative 34. Then after that, negative 45. Then after that, negative 75. So this is how you order integers, and I recommend using a thermometer in the beginning to help you on your integer journey. Good luck.